Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in my today's video, I'm going to try to cover different left turns. So watch this video till end. It's going to help you a lot. So I'm starting from this traffic light. So I'm in a turning lane and the traffic light is red. I can see there is a few kids are standing on my left hand side and they want to cross. So whenever you're making left turn, you have to keep eye to the oncoming traffic and the traffic light, and if somebody's crossing on the left hand side, so you have to give them priority if somebody is crossing. So once my light will be green, I will go in the center and I will let these people go first, and once it's cleared, then I'm gonna finish my turn. So as you can see that there is no oncoming traffic, so that's the easiest left turn. Check your rear view mirror as well. Keep checking your surroundings too. So once you will inch forward, there is no need to push gas. Just release your brake and your car gonna move. So we will give them priority. And once they're on the halfway, you can finish your turn. And turn into the first lane on the left hand side, and after that you have to switch back to the right when it's safe to do. I'm going to make another left turn. So whenever you see the broken line, must give signal. Check your left side blind spot and try to enter as soon as you can. Don't wait for the last minute. So you can see the road marking. It says turning lane to the left. One car at one time in intersection. We have to stop before solid white line. Once our way is clear, then we're gonna move. So now we can go in the middle and try to stay more to the left so that you can see oncoming traffic. So light is yellow, check left side blind spot and then finish your turn. As I told you, after making left turn, we have to switch back to the right because right lane is a driving lane, but you're gonna do it only when it's safe to do so. If you find there is a traffic, no need to do the lane change. You're gonna do it only when it's safe to do so. For left turns, try to stay near to the yellow line. The more you will stay near to the yellow line, it's gonna be more easy for you to see the oncoming traffic. So we'll go more to the left so that we can see oncoming traffic. So now the light is also yellow and left side blind spot check, and we can finish the turn. At the turn, don't speed up a lot. Go at the speed that you can control the car. I'm gonna make left turn again. So I came to the left side. We'll go in the middle, watch for oncoming traffic, give them priority, and then you can finish your turn. Turn into your lane first. At upcoming traffic light, I'm gonna make left turn again. So we always have to watch for road markings. So there is an advanced green, but it's turned off. So I have to wait here before solid white line. Now I can go in the middle. So watch for oncoming traffic and stay more to the left so that you can see oncoming traffic. So once it's clear, we will finish our turn. Keep checking on left hand side if somebody is crossing. So the more you will stay to the left is going to be more easy for you to see the oncoming traffic. So now we can finish our turn. After making left turn, we always switch back to the right when it's safe to do so, because right lane is a driving lane and left lane is a passing lane. So during your test, examiner will not ask you to do the lane change. You have to do this lane change by yourself. If you will not do it, he's gonna mark you. So I'm going to make another left turn. Left signal on. Left side blind spot check. Now we have to watch for oncoming traffic. So take your car more to the left so that you can see for oncoming traffic. Signal will remain on. So we have to give priority to oncoming traffic. And once it's clear, then we're gonna finish our turn. So take your time, no rush. And then check left side blind spot before turn and finish your turn. So I'm going to make another left turn. So as soon as you're able to see the broken line, you must give signal. Check your left side blind spot and then come into your lane. Since this guy is blocking my view, so I'm gonna stay more to the left and then I'm gonna straight up my car, so that way I can see the oncoming traffic easily. And once it's clear, finish your turn. Going to make another left turn. So left signal, left side blind spot check, come into your lane as soon as possible. Don't wait for the last minute. Start controlling your speed. Stop before solid white line. So scan now if there is somebody to cross or not. Okay, so whenever you go to intersection, prepare yourself. It's not like your light is green and then we are trying to scan. So we have to get ready now. We have to scan now so that once a light is green, we can take action. Keep scanning, keep checking your surrounding. So again, advanced green, that means we can go, and everybody else, they're gonna stop for us. So I'm going to make another left turn. Always come into your lane first and then start slowing down. So we'll slow down and stop. We will not try to catch yellow light. As you can see that on my left hand side, that traffic light has 4 circles. So that means I might get advanced green. So whenever you go to intersection, look at the traffic light. So that's gonna be our priority, that we have to look at the traffic light. How many circles are there? Are we getting advanced green or not? And then we will take action accordingly. Keep scanning intersection. So we are getting advanced green. We can go. Everybody else, they're gonna stop for us. I'm going to make left turn again. So we have to watch for oncoming traffic. We have to give them priority. And once it's clear, then we're gonna finish our turn. And turn into your lane.